Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the ratio of your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen and go to the plus icon at the lower left corner. Select a video and at the right side of the screen you can find the square icon and the first option, the ratio, and here you can select different ratio format and just select one, for example the cinematic, and if you finish just click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.